Greetings everyone, I'm Nick and welcome to Nick's Old School Basketball. You're probably wondering how someone like me, 5'11", European, without any extraordinary physical abilities, can compete in serious basketball. Well, I'll tell you how, in one word: fundamentals. Now, who am I? I'm just a guy from Croatia in Europe who played basketball over 25 years and gained some knowledge about the game that I decided to share with you. So, here's some tips on how to improve your basketball game. I've noticed a lot of young players out there trying to practice some fancy dribbles or some other complicated moves that they saw from famous players or some video clips. But in reality, it doesn't actually help them much, and it doesn't actually improve their game, and they don't become better players because of that. So what they should be doing is working on their fundamentals. So for my first video in the series, I'm gonna talk about how to shoot the basketball properly. I see a lot of young players, especially very young players, that are trying to shoot like an adult, and that's not really good because they are weaker and they don't have the strength to shoot the ball the same as the adults. So what you should try when you're starting to play basketball and you're not so strong, you should start by shooting from your hip. So what you do, you go from your hip up. Later, when you are more stronger, you lift the ball, so then shoot from the chest, from shoulder and higher. So first you need to realize the mechanics of the shot. The shot is that you have to use always one hand. So you use one hand, and only the other hand is only there to hold the ball steady and straight. So you don't shoot with two hands. I see some people, they're trying to shoot with two hands because they think they're gonna be stronger, but in reality it only makes them miss more shots because they cannot be balanced. So you need to start practice shooting with only one hand, using the other hand just for support. So you also have to realize that you need to use your whole body, especially from the bottom, from feet, from your legs, stomach, all that into the shot. So it will be one fluid motion. Also, you have to mind your footing. Look at your footing. You have to stand. So if you're right-handed, so your right foot needs to be a bit in front of your left foot, so you will have more balance and power into the shot. So if you're lefty, you just switch and your left foot will be a bit of in front of the right foot. And there you go, basic mechanics of shooting. I hope you find this video useful and look for more related videos later. Like, subscribe, comment. See ya.